Today on HandyDadTV, I'm going to show you how I transferred my home phone to Google Voice and one of these Obi-Hi adapters to get free home phone service. Coming up. Last month I published a video that described how I saved $150 every month by ditching Verizon Fios. My bill was around $240 a month for internet, TV, and home phone service. The home phone service amounted to $30 a month, plus I was paying $4.99 for a non-published listing, which was a complete ripoff because 90% of my calls were from solicitors anyway. Google Voice is a free telecommunications service available in the US that provides call forwarding and voicemail services, voice and text messaging, and really good blocking of unwanted calls. To illustrate how it works, first let's talk about email. You know how every internet service provider gives you the ability to create an email account? The only problem is if you ever switch providers, you lose that email address. So third-party services like Gmail and Hotmail and AOL allow you to create a permanent email address that stays with you regardless of your provider. Google Voice kind of does the same thing, but for your cell phone. Although the law allows you to port your number if you switch from one phone company to another, it can be a hassle and possibly incur fees. If you use Google Voice as your permanent phone number, it will redirect your calls to whatever number you get from your phone company. Better still, it can redirect your calls to multiple phones at the same time if you want it to. Now you can do the same thing with your home phone number. Instead of ringing your physical home phone, Google Voice can route those calls to your mobile phone or to multiple phones, thereby eliminating the need to pay for a home phone service. You can port an existing phone number to Google Voice just like you can when you switch phone companies. However, they only let you port mobile numbers, not landlines like your home phone. To get around this, you'll need to temporarily activate an old cell phone on a pay-as-you-go mobile plan. I chose to use T-Mobile, which cost me $10 for the SIM card and $3 for 1 month of service. Pretty cheap. I just popped the new SIM card into my old iPhone 6S and activated it on their website. I then requested my home number to be ported from Verizon to T-Mobile. Now that took several days to complete, but when it was done, calls to my home phone number rang this old cell phone. Next, go to voice.google.com and sign in or create a Google account. It'll ask you to pick a phone number for your Google Voice account. Just pick any of them since you won't be using it anyway. Then it'll ask you to enter your cell phone number for verification. Now this needs to be your real cell phone number, not the one that's temporarily set up with your home phone. After verifying, you need to go to the legacy Google Voice interface, and then go into Settings, and click Change/Port, and say you want to use your existing mobile number. This is where you'll enter your home phone number that was temporarily ported to that old cell phone. There's a one-time $20 fee to port your number to Google Voice. Then check the rest of the checkboxes to agree to all of them. And next, Google will call your number to verify the phone. And finally, you need to enter all the information from that pay-as-you-go mobile account so that Google can port the number. I should also mention that if you really want to keep your physical phone in your house, you can get one of these little Polycom devices, and it costs $50 on Amazon, and you hook that up to your home network and you plug your phone into it, and you can configure Google Voice so that when somebody calls your home phone number, it actually rings your old home phone, and everything will be just as it was before, except this time it'll be free. Now that's a $50 one-time fee, no monthly charge for that Polycom device or for Google Voice. So I invested $33 in one-time fees. That's $20 to Google and $13 to T-Mobile. And I also spent $50 on that voice over IP box, but you don't need to do that if you don't want to. But my savings there is $34.99 per month. That's a total savings of $1,260 over the next 3 years. And I have no contract, and the equipment pays for itself in less than 3 months. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.